Are you a loom knitter and often wondered, or ever wondered, how am I going to get a size 6 weighted yarn through my needle? Well, just take one of these. Looks like this. Two ends you can use for thread. This one is for yarn. Put it through the eye of the needle. Put the end of the yarn through there and then pull it through the eye of the needle. And there you go. The needle is threaded. And it will also work with the plastic looming needle. Put that through the eye of the plastic needle with the yarn through the threader and pull it through. And there, the needle is threaded.